Y'all, so just want to show y'all Tangerine. This is my albino car, 66% hit super strike. This is my girl. She getting nice and thick. As I always say, I train my snakes, handle them a lot. But this is Tangerine. She's one of my sweetest ones, but I don't handle her like that. So trying to handle her more so she can be more sweet. But she a good girl though. The Tangerine again. She's looking good. Look at her, y'all. Look at her eyes. Looking fine as wine. She's looking good. Good looking girl.